Hello there. This is just a quick demonstration of how to use your cyanotype paper. I've got a collection of leaves here and a backing sheet of cardboard and an A4 sheet of Perspex. So when you get your cyanotype paper, now this has got lots in it, it will come in a folder like this. Just take one sheet out and you can work with it quite quickly. Put it flat on your backing board like this, and inside you've got probably a few minutes before it starts to react. Lay out your flowers, your leaves, in any way you like. Try to make it as attractive as possible. Now I'm just doing it quickly here. Now these are all from my garden. Once I'm happy with it, all I do is press it down quite firmly so it stays flat, and then all you have to do is take it out into the garden, find a nice sunny spot. On a sunny day, it will only probably take 5 or 10 minutes. On a cloudy day, maybe a bit longer. Okay, you just have to wait until it turns silvery grey, and then it's pretty much exposed. I'm holding it down now, I'm taking it out into the garden, and I'll bring it back later. And you can see now, it's starting to get a little bit darker. You can see some shadows from the tree in my garden. But let it go. It started turning yellow. I started changing from yellow to that greyish blue. Okay, I'm going to leave it for a bit longer, but so far it's only been a minute, but it is quite a nice sunny day today. Okay, I've brought it back in from the garden, and you can see it's now turned quite a deep kind of grey blue. So all I'm going to do is take the Perspex lid off, take away my flowers and my leaves, and you can see that my shapes are there. This is called a photogram. Now to set it, I'm just going to take some cold water, and so I don't cause any splashing, I'm just going to make the paper nice and wet. And now all I'm going to do is put it on a nice flat surface, like my cardboard backing, and leave it to dry. And you can see by washing it, it's really exposed it further. Okay. Now before you finish, make sure you wipe up any spills. You don't want to make any mess or leave any marks. Can you see the yellow that it originally was is water soluble and the blue isn't? So the yellow wipes off, washes off quite easily.